If you're passionate about drones, aerial photography, or just love keeping up with the latest in tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated upgrade in the drone world. Yes, you guessed it, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This next-gen mini drone isn't just an evolution of the Mini 4 Pro. It's a complete reimagination of what a sub-250G drone can be. From cutting-edge AI features and upgraded camera specs to smarter flight tech and longer battery life, the Mini 5 Pro might just become the ultimate tool for content creators, vloggers, travelers, and pro drone enthusiasts alike. So grab your seat and stick around because we're going deep into the confirmed release date, rumored specifications, standout features, and how this model could seriously shift the compact drone market in 2025 and beyond. The smartest drone in the sky just got smarter. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to raise the bar in compact drone design. With DJI continuously refining its technology, this model isn't just a rehashed version of the Mini 4 Pro. We're looking at a completely optimized drone, lighter, faster, more stable, and smarter than ever before, designed to appeal to both first-time drone flyers and professional videographers. The Mini 5 Pro offers a compelling package of performance and portability. From a design perspective, DJI is reportedly sticking with the foldable, ultra-lightweight chassis that made the DJI Mini series so popular. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to weigh under 250 grams to stay compliant with international drone regulations, while possibly using next-gen carbon composite materials to make it both stronger and more heat-resistant. The drone's refined aerodynamic structure could also make it more wind-resistant, a huge plus for outdoor and mountain terrain users. AI-assisted flight, obstacle avoidance, gets an upgrade. One of the major improvements users are buzzing about is AI-powered obstacle avoidance. While the DJI Mini 4 Pro introduced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take it to a whole new level with enhanced sensors and machine learning-powered collision detection. That means smoother flights, more accurate object tracking, and advanced auto-return-to-home safety features. Whether you're flying through a forest, tracking a car, or navigating tight urban environments, this drone will have the smarts to avoid trouble in real time. These improvements will make the Mini 5 Pro safer for beginners and much more reliable. For complex cinematic shots, additional flight intelligence upgrades could include AI-powered Active Track 6.0 or newer enhanced focus track with better subject lock, smart waypoints with custom route programming terrain, follow and vision positioning for better vertical tracking, gesture controls, real-time scene recognition, and smarter automation. DJI continues to push the envelope with smart flight features, and the Mini 5 Pro could be their most intuitive drone yet. Expect major improvements in gesture control, allowing you to launch, land, or take a photo just with a wave of your hand. There's also strong speculation about real-time subject recognition, which means the drone could identify people, vehicles, animals, or landmarks and adjust its flight path accordingly. This is incredibly useful for action shots, wildlife filming, and fast-paced vlogging. You might also see enhanced auto-exposure control for seamless lighting adjustments, auto-framing, and dynamic scene recognition, powered by AI real-time HDR and in-camera editing tools, instant cloud uploads, and auto-sync to your preferred editing platform. Game-changing camera upgrades for content creators. Let's talk about what really makes a drone shine: the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a significantly upgraded camera sensor. Rumors point to a 1-inch CMOS sensor, or at the very least, an improved 1.3-inch sensor with a wider aperture, possibly f1.7 or even a variable aperture system. This would greatly enhance its low light performance, dynamic range, and overall clarity. Expected camera specs include 4K video recording at 60 FPS or higher HDR video, 10-bit color depth for cinematic quality, advanced image stabilization using EIS plus mechanical gimbal AI scene optimization with auto contrast, sharpness, and saturation, enhanced quick shots, master shots, and new smart modes for cinematic footage. These features make the Mini 5 Pro a dream drone for YouTubers, travel vloggers, photographers, and real estate professionals looking to get premium content without investing in bulkier models. Flight time and battery optimization. Over 40 minutes? Battery life is always top of mind for drone users. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature an intelligent power management system that goes beyond the 38-minute flight time of the Mini 4 Pro. Thanks to smarter AI-based battery consumption algorithms, the Mini 5 Pro could reach 40+ minutes in standard mode. DJI might introduce a new high-efficiency Li-ion battery, or graphene-enhanced cells, to extend lifespan and reduce charging time. Add to that a new smart charging hub with faster USB-C PD support, on-screen battery health indicators, dynamic flight, energy allocation based on terrain and wind conditions. For content creators who need to shoot multiple scenes in one outing, this could be a major win. Release date and pricing breakdown. So, when can you get your hands on the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Insiders suggest a release window between Q4 2025 and Q1 2026. DJI tends to follow a predictable cycle for mini-series drops, and all signs point to a late-year launch aligned with holiday shopping trends and major tech expos. Pricing is expected to follow the premium Mini 4 Pro model, with slight increases due to the upgraded tech. Base model, estimated $990 USD Fly, more combo. Estimated $1,290 USD Premium Combo. Up to $1,499 USD. These price points reflect the pro-tier performance DJI is packing into such a small frame, positioning the Mini 5 Pro as both a high-end consumer drone and a professional lightweight flying. Camera transmission, range, and connectivity. DJI is likely to continue using its latest transmission tech, OQ-Sync 4.0 or newer, offering ultra-low latency and a stronger, more stable signal over long distances. This could give the Mini 5 Pro a range of up to 20 kilometers in optimal conditions, with 1080p live feeds delivered directly to the remote in real time. Improved antennas, dual frequency support, and enhanced signal switching will make it easier to fly in dense urban or interference-heavy environments. Expect Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity as well, helping with faster firmware updates and seamless mobile app integration. Remote controller. What's new? Rumors indicate DJI could launch a refreshed remote controller alongside the Mini 5 Pro. Whether it's an updated DJI RC2 or something entirely new, users are hoping for a brighter screen with 1000+ nits peak brightness, improved joystick precision, extended battery life, USB-C fast charging, and expandable memory for screen recording. A more ergonomic build is also anticipated, aimed at reducing fatigue during extended flying sessions.